Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Selma. I'm the Design Services Manager at Longboard. Today, I'm going to share a little bit about who we are and what we do, all the products we have to offer. So our company is, we do extruded aluminum products. Everything is manufactured here locally in Canada, in BC. The founder actually started on the coating with a company called Main Inc. So they're very knowledgeable regarding the coating, decorating, and all this. Longboard was actually started in 2005, and we produce now everything from the extruding, decorating at our manufacturing plant in Abbotsford. We are one of the only manufacturers in North America that completely manufacture every step ourselves. This is a little bit about our history and who we are. Oh, is there audio? Okay, I can skip this one then. I can actually voice over this. This is our manufacturing facility in Abbotsford. So this is the extrusion line. We get a log of aluminum. We cut it into billet. The billets get heated up, and they go through an extrusion line. On the other side, we have the extrusion shape in 100 feet. We stretch it, we cut it in 24-feet pieces. We powder coat everything, and the wood grain finish gets wrapped. So this is the powder coating. We have a vertical paint line, and then whatever needs to be powder sublimated for wood grain gets wrapped in a film, goes into the oven, and by sublimation process, we transfer this image into the planks or the profiles. So this is every step of our manufacturing process, the extrusion, the preparation, so we make sure that the aluminum will receive all this powder and sublimation process and it won't come off, and then the powder coating, and finally the sublimation. All the products are ready to ship in 5 to 7 business days, and they will arrive to site within 30 days from the order. Also, the orders are free, over $5,000, all across North America. Longboard is uniquely positioned around sustainability. It would be possible to do like an entire presentation on sustainability, but for the purpose of this presentation, I just want to mention a few key takeaways. Aluminum is one of the most abundant metal in the world, while also being 100% recyclable, which makes it a sustainable option for builders and architects. Being fully recyclable, our cladding would at least being fully recyclable. Oh, we also offer a Longboard Eco, would have at least 50% recycled content. We also have EPD3s and LCA for all the product lines. With all those, you can get lead points such as materials and resources and energy and atmosphere, and also in indoor environmental quality. So like I mentioned before, Longboard Eco will have the same quality, the same warranty and everything, but with at least 50% of recycled content. All the products are 100% recyclable. They have EPDs and LCAs, and they are VOC-free and crumb-free. The products can be used in different projects like multifamily, office, education, retail, healthcare, and national brands. Some of our core products are the TNG cladding planks. This is our most popular product, actually. The link and lock battens, some sealing system, and the cladding attachments. Our cladding attachment system is called Hitch. Hitch is a passive house certified component. With Hitch, you can go from 1 to 16 inches of insulation. One of the difference from other clips in the market is that you install the base of the clip first with a piercing tool. You place insulation around it, so you guarantee insulation is going to be continuous around this clip on your wall. You place the cap of the clip and then your girth. So the girth's not going to penetrate the insulation. You are not going to lose any of the R value of the wall. Here's an example of the hitch clip installed here locally in Vancouver. So the girth not penetrating at all the insulation. This is one way you can get performance for your wall, but also Hitch is a very robust clip, so it requires less clips per square feet compared to other clips in the market, so it requires less perforation in your envelope. Here's a comparison between using Hitch attachment system, another attachment system where you might have the girth penetrating insulation, and like a Z-girth, which completely penetrates insulation. So you can see the blue shading is the heat or cold that you're losing through the envelope using different attachment systems. Some of the profiles we manufacture, before I said like the TNG, the tongue and groove profiles are our most popular, and you can find them in 4, 6, 6-inch channel, or 6-inch smooth. Pretty soon, we also have available an 8-inch V-groove profile. We have all the trim components in the same wood grain or color matching the profile to accommodate expansion and contraction, and also to finish on the edges of the wall, under the window, top of the wall. Something that is unique about our system is our quick screen clip. Oops, I'll go back. With the quick screen clip, you make sure your plank is going to be offset from the wall around 1.5 millimeters. This will allow the water to run through, and will create this, will make this actually a rain screen system. We offer all the profiles in a wide variety of wood grain, solid colors, speckle finishes, and natural aged metals. We also do color matching. We have, of course, a minimum order, but we can do any solid color or wood grain. Here's a local project using wood grain on the outside, another one with an interior application, ceiling application as well, with perforated planks with or without acoustical treatment. The link and lock, which are 2-piece batten that can also be installed outside or the interiors as well, in a batten on a fin application. We have different mounting clips and end mounts to allow for floor-to-ceiling application, maybe a pergola. You can install it on an angle as well to create some shading. Here's an example showing a facade with a 4 and 8-inch sizes, wood grain finishes. This is an example where a batten was attached using the 45-degree clip. This is our ceiling system for interiors only, where we have 4 or 6-inch baffles that can be installed with our hanger brackets, or they can also be installed direct to your T-bar if you use the smaller clip on the left side, on the right side of the screen, sorry. Locally here, we have this installed at Equinox Gym in Vancouver, where you can see the dauntless system. Our latest addition, I would say, is the TNG textured walls, where we have single, triple baffles, castellation, where you can use this with or without our battens. A couple of examples, we have the all-modern with single baffle and Montana Museum with castellation and link and lock. Something that also differentiates us from other manufacturers in the market is all the testing we have available. Everything is on the website for you to check and download. We also have a non-prorated warranty, 15 or 20 year, depending on the color you choose. We can go up to 20-year warranty. On the client care, we have dedicated rep in your area, technical team that can do materials estimates, shop drawings, and also our technical library. That's all. Thank you. We're here in the booth 9 if you want to stop by and talk to us. Otherwise, you can reach out to us through our emails and website. Thank you so much.